Welcome you all to today's video, children. This is class 6 social science civics lesson 6 rural administration part 2. Chapter 6 rural administration part 2. Let's move with GK. Who was known as the Indian Napoleon? Samudragupta was known as the Indian Napoleon. Which is the largest country in the world based on area, land? Russia. Let's move on to today's topic. Maintenance of land records. Measuring land and keeping land records is the work of Patwari. The word Patwari is known as Lekpal, Kanungu, Karamchari, village officer, and so many all over the India. He is responsible for a group of villages. The group of villages will be divided and given under his in charge. So the Patwari has to maintain the land record about the villages, whatever comes under his Patwari. He has to organize the collection of land revenue from the farmers. And the another work is providing information to the government about the crops grown in that area. So he has to maintain the land records with the crops which are grown in the area. He has to maintain a detailed report of the land. He has to maintain the map and the crops which are grown in that area. It should be updated each and every year. If one is cultivating sugarcane this year and the another year he may cultivate another crop. So the Patwari has to update the land record according to the crops every year. He has to regularly update the records. Keeping and updating the records is the one of the most work of Patwari, and the changing of crops and digging well should be recorded by Patwari each and every year. You can ask the farmer, whoever in your home, they will record the detail of crops which are cultivated in the land, and they will get the receipt from the Patwari. This is the land record which is maintained by Patwari. Okay, let us see whenever the farmers need their land record copy. The first one, a farmer wants to buy a plot of land from the another farmer. When a farmer is purchasing plot of land, he has to have a copy of the land record. And when he sell a produce, he has to have a copy of their land record. And when he gets loan from the bank to dig well in the land, he has to have the land record. And the next one, purchasing fertilizers. Usually farmers purchase fertilizers every year for their crops, or the loans are available in the banks to purchase fertilizers. So when the loans are provided, he has to have the copy of their land record. And when the property is divided among their children, he has to have the land record copy. Okay, let us see a new law. According to the Act, Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, sons, daughters and their mothers can get an equal share in the land. Usually when we say the word farmers, we will think of the men only. We never think of women, because in olden days lands and properties are divided only for the male children. Female children are not given the share of their property, father's property or mother's property. But according to the Act 2005, daughters, sons and mother can get their equal share of their land. Hope you have understood, children. We have completed the lesson 6 rural administration. Here is the question for you. How do women benefit under the law? How do women benefit under the law? Okay children, we have completed the page number 53 and 54 in your civics book. Hope you do have understood. Let us meet in another class with some other topic, children. Thank you. Be safe and be